Here we have a beautiful 1971 Triumph TR6 convertible. This is a non-overdrive car. Beautiful frame-on restoration. The car was taken all the way apart when it was restored some years ago. Very, very nice looking car. It presents itself very nicely. Has a brand new top. It's a dark brown interior, black top. Beautiful looking car. Very nice paint. I'll point out any blemishes I can find. (1971) Triumph TR6. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help at any time. I'm going to give you the full tour of this car. It is a very nice car. Very nice restoration. It's not a museum quality restoration, but the car is very, very nice. Presents itself very well. Runs and drives excellent. Chrome looks nice. Wheels and tires are nice. It's got redline tires, Michelin's. The body panels fit very nicely. Paint shines beautifully. Beautiful British racing green. You can see the doors here. They fit pretty good. We believe this car started its life as a burgundy car. It is now British racing green. We did not do and complete the restoration on the car. This is how we got the car. The car was part of a private collection and was stored for many years. Unfortunately, we do not have the paperwork on the restoration, but it is very apparent that the restoration was very thorough. All the body panels were taken off the car when they painted it. It's very, very nice. The pictures and video do not do it much justice. The car shows excellent in person. The rear bumper chrome is in great shape. I would call it a 9. It's not a 10 just because it's not brand new, but I would call it a 9 condition. This third license plate light has a little bit of pitting on it. Other than that, the tail light chrome has a tiny bit of little pitting on it. Other than that, the car is very nice. No visible rust coming through anywhere on the body panels. The paint shines beautifully. There's one little bubble in the paint right here in the trunk. Other than that, car's pretty nice. You can see the panels here. It's the passenger door. Seats are like brand new. Carpet is like brand new. Dash is like brand new. The wood grain shows nicely. The gauges are all working, which is very rare on one of these cars. The dash has no cracks. It's not shrunk anywhere. Beautiful dark brown interior. Like brand new inside. Gorgeous. Car's very nice. The top is brand new. I'm going to go ahead and flip that up here. Car is very nice. It's got a little mark here in the paint on the passenger door. Trying to point out everything I can. Try to be fully transparent on every vehicle we sell. We've been in business 45 years. Give us a call anytime. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We can ship anywhere in the world. We take any type of trade-ins. Just give us a call. We're happy to help you at any time. We are going to price this vehicle aggressively to sell, just like we do with every single one of our cars. And we try to be as transparent as possible. If you have any specific questions about this car, please give us a call. We're more than happy to help at any time. I'm going to give you a tour of the engine compartment here, which is very nicely detailed. As you can see, the seats and carpet are very nice. The dash is in excellent shape. The mileage shows 96,000 miles. We do not know if that is true or not on these old cars. Unless we have documentation to accompany it with the mileage, we will not guarantee that. As you can see, the engine compartment looks gorgeous. It's very sunny here today, so it's very shiny in there. Give us a call anytime, 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We are happy to help at any time. 1971 Triumph TR6. It's a beautiful little Roadster. We've had many of these cars. The paint is very nice. Like I said, I'll give the paint about a 9. There's a few blemishes in it, just because of the age. But overall, it's a very nice paint job. It is not show quality, but it's pretty close to it. Try not to misrepresent any vehicles that we have. The underneath of this car is in good shape. It did spend some time up north in its life. But overall, it's solid everywhere. And the car is solid everywhere. There's no visible rust coming through. As you can see, the body panels are very nice and straight. The car starts and runs excellent. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. So ask for Jeff or Ken at any time. Car starts right up every time. No choke because the car is warm. Starts and runs very good. Driven the car down the street for about 30 minutes straight, and the car runs and drives, and it does everything it's supposed to do. Stops well. But overall, the car is very nice. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. Thank you. Call or text us at 954-561-2499.